Jackpot's bird, Kabob, just came in from Chewy, and Jackpot absolutely loves it. Out of all the toys that I got, and I got a bunch, this is the only toy that Jackpot's went to and stayed with for more than a couple minutes. But everything's going good. Jackpot's getting more agile every single day. Whoop. Right to the phone. Hey, I wasn't ready for that. Here. And Jackpot's just starting, I think, to hit the bluffing age. There you go. So, I've been ready for that. And I'll show you what I've been doing when he starts lunging at me and it doesn't tickle. But it comes to an end very quick, and a few minutes later, Jackpot comes flying to my shoulder and starts grooming me. But I figured I'd do just a little update on the new toy here in case anybody's interested in a toy. It's not meant to last for a long time. It's meant to shred, which a lot of birds like to do. And Jackpot's shower's coming in. Bird bath shower any day. I'll do some videos with the shower and other things we're working on. We're getting there. We're getting there. For 10 weeks old, Jackpot's progressing pretty good. And I'm hoping to do a video with my sister. She is a conure. We're going to try to get the birds together one day. Gotta go, but this is the best toy yet. I think I'm going to have to order a couple more. Thank you. Bye. Say bye, Jackpot. Say bye. Come on, bye. Shy today.